Yes, so we'll be doing our second CS1 typing class. In the first class, we discussed about basic MS Word shortcuts, and we also discussed specific questions from chapter 2, that was probability distribution, right? So those who have watched the video, can you give me a yes? Those who have watched the videos, can you guys give me a yes? Okay, so in this class we would be doing our chapter 3, that is generating functions, right? So classes में तो वो हो गया होगा आपका, you might have covered that in the conceptual classes. So we will be doing typing here. Let me note that this is not technical class. If you are having any doubt regarding the concept, then please contact sir or put it in the doubt portal. We will solve it later. Okay. Here I will be taking all the doubts related to typing. For example, if you are not able to hit any key, or if you are not able to use the equation editor properly, or if you are not able to get alpha, lambda, or whatever we are typing here. So we would be doing this. Okay. So just give me the approach you guys use. Those who use equation editor, write E in the chat box, and those who use normal typing, write N, and जो combined करते हैं वो लिख दो both. Come on. Okay, normal typing. ठीक है, both. Normal typing. ठीक है, so we would be doing both the approaches. हम combined approach use करेंगे. For text we would always prefer normal text. We would never write text in the equation editor. Okay. I told the reason, क्योंकि वो इस white area में चले जाता है, the text goes this white area and it disappears. ठीक है. So examiner won't be able to correct the text. That's why we would always write the text in the normal context. We will always start a newer answer from a newer page, and we would always bold out our final answer. ठीक है. I'll be covering 2 to 3 questions in this class. First question I'll be doing via equation editor, and second question I'll be doing via normal typing. Okay. So ठीक है, Bhumi, you can find that on the YouTube. Okay, mention CS1 typing class, you can check it there. So let's start our first question, chapter 3. Let me open. Determine the moment generating function of 2 parameter of exponential random variable x defined by the probability distribution function this. So let's do our first part first. सबसे पहले पहला part करते हैं. So let me open the word. So we are doing our first part. We are doing 3.1. ठीक है. So by the first part, so you can write by the definition of MGF. MGF की definition के हिसाब से what I can write is MGF is equal to expectation of. Alt equal to I typed to get the equation editor, then I simply wrote MGF is equal to e to the power expectation of e to the power. For power I'll click shift 6 to get this sign, right? Tx, since we have 2 terms together, so we can use brackets either, or we can skip brackets because they are in multiplication. अगर हमारे पास if we would have t plus x, then we would have used brackets here. Is it clear? So we simply write t capital X, then a space bar to shift that to the superscript, and then a brackets. Is it okay? Then we get the integration sign, right? So this becomes, this is equal to backslash I and t for the integration, then an underscore for alpha. Now for alpha we can write backslash alpha, alpha, space bar to get alpha, then shift 6 to get the upper limit. This is equal to infinity. Infinity के लिए हम पूरा infinity नहीं लिखते, we write backslash inf ty, inf t, inf t, ठीक है, space bar to get the infinity. Now to put the limits in their place, we again hit a space bar. Now we can see this box. This box simply means what will come inside the integral, ठीक है. Once we escape out of this box, we are simply writing in the equation editor, ठीक है. So we write e to the power t space x space bar to put it into the superscript. Then we have lambda. We are simply writing the PDF, okay. ETX, that was the variable, and then we are writing the PDF. So this is lambda. Sorry, lambda is spelling is LAMBDA. Then we have e to the power. Now look, we have in the e to the power minus alpha bracket x minus alpha. Since this is a longer term, so we need to use brackets here, ठीक है. Minus backslash lambda space bar to get the lambda brackets x minus alpha, ठीक है. देखो ये वाला this bracket is for x minus alpha, then another bracket for minus lambda वाली term, and then we hit a space bar and then we get dx. Now we want to escape through the this blue bar. For example, if I don't escape through the blue bar and I hit enter, look, I get another box. This is wrong, so that's why let's do Control Z and then I escape from the blue bar. Now if I am hitting enter, I can come down the newer spool. Is it okay, guys? Give me a yes. Bhavya, nothing special. I was just telling ki we would be doing MGF and CGF, like generating function in this class, and we would be using two approaches, equation editor approach and normal approach, okay. So whatever feels okay to you, you can do that. देखो, if I am doing a question via equation editor and you guys use normal typing, what you can do is you will do it through normal typing, and if you are getting any doubt, we can do it normally, we can do it your way as well, okay. So please open up your laptops and keyboards and start typing with me. Okay, Bhavya, is it clear? We are doing question number 1 and we just wrote a step till now. ठीक है. Okay, let me tell you, अगर हम इसको if we would be writing it through normal text, what we would have written. So let's write it via normal text. Look, सबसे पहले हम लिखते हैं int for integral, so we would simply write int. This for writing the limits, integral. This for writing the limits. This is a to infinity. Either I can use this backslash infty. Okay, otherwise I can simply write infity. I can simply write backslash infty या फिर मैं पूरा infinity भी लिख सकती हूँ, ठीक है. Brackets closed, then this colon, then this here Control Z because हमें smiley face आता है, and then we can write the function here, ठीक है. Function के लिए what we will do is e to the power tx space this in brackets. Let me take in this brackets, ठीक है. Normal typing में we have to make sure कि brackets are duly placed. Otherwise what we could have done is Control Shift plus to go to the superscript, tx Control Shift plus to come back to the normal script. Then we have lambda. For lambda, either you can write whole lambda or you can write backslash lambda, ठीक है, space bar. Then we have e raised to the power Control Shift plus minus backslash lambda, okay, brackets x minus alpha backslash alpha, space bar, brackets close, Control Shift plus to come back to the normal script, and this. We missed dx here, so let's write Control Shift plus dx. Is it okay? Both approaches clear? Give me a yes. Okay, Bhavya, I'll go a bit slow. Anyone having any doubt in these two approaches? मैंने सिर्फ अभी एक sentence लिखा है. I'm giving you guys time. Try solving it. जो आप भी method use कर रहे हो, आप उस method से करो, and then कोई भी error आ रहा हो तो मुझे बोलो. आई एम गिविंग यू 30 सेकेंड्स, नो वरीज भव्या, दिस क्लास इज फॉर यू. सो अगर आपको ही समझ नहीं आएगा तो क्या फायदा है फिर इसका. गिव मी अ यस अगर इक्वेशन टाइप हो जाए, गिव मी अ यस इन द चैट रूम. आई एम वेटिंग 30 सेकेंड्स. ठीक है, someone is saying teach approach first again. Okay, approach one दोबारा बताती हूँ, no worries. Look, इसी के आगे simultaneously टाइप कर देते हैं, ठीक है. Equal to backslash integral के लिए what we type int space bar, we got integral. Okay, infinity sign is written as backslash infty inf t. Okay, then we have alpha. So for lower limit we go this, okay, underscore sign. Then we have alpha backslash alpha alpha. For the upper limit we have this sign, ठीक है. For infinity we write backslash infty inf t. Okay. Now to place these limits on their place we will hit a space bar. Okay, this box appears, इसका मतलब है you have done correct till now. Okay, now e to the power, power के लिए again this sign tx space bar, ऊपर चला गया सुपरस्क्रिप्ट में. Then we have lambda, lambda के लिए backslash lambda, lambda space bar, lambda आ गया. Are you up with me क्षितिज? फिर e raised to the power again this sign, क्योंकि अब raised to the power में we have so many terms, that's why we will use brackets. So bracket minus lambda, we have lambda, ठीक है. Then we have again a bracket x minus alpha, alpha के लिए again we will write backslash alpha alpha, bracket close bracket close. अब इसको I have to move forward to the superscript, superscript के लिए again I will do space bar. Okay, चला गया ऊपर. Then we have dx. Now we want to escape from this integral, that's why I will use the arrow key. Okay, this forward arrow key I will use this. Blue box हट गया ना, blue color vanishes, इसका मतलब है अब मैं इंटीग्रल से बाहर आ गई. I have come out of the integral. Then I hit space. अब whatever I write that is not within the integral. Is it clear Kshitij? Bhavya, did you got infinity sign? Bhavya, आपको infinity sign नहीं मिला? Okay, what approach are you getting? Which box? This? Alt equal to, I told at the start of the question, alt equal to. If you want to insert this equation you have to use alt equal to. Okay, first approach में ही नहीं मिला भव्या, रुको, I'll be typing here. Okay, wait, let me type backslash infty. Look, this is the command for infinity. Press space, space bars you have to enter. Give me a yes अगर मिला तो. राशि, which box were you talking about? आपको मिल गया क्या box? Okay. Then Bhavya, try doing this. Go to this equation sign. ठीक है, ऊपर आपका equation लिखा आ रहा होगा if you are in equation editor. then there you can see a this infinity sign आपको दिख रहा होगा. Okay, when you hover your mouse over that infinity sign तो आपको आपके कीबोर्ड का शॉर्टकट पता चल जाएगा. Look, my keyboard shortcut is \infinity or \infinity. You can try आपके में क्या आ रहा है and you can try hitting that. Check out. Come on. Ayab, did you get an infinity sign? Did you get the sign? Bhavya, I am waiting for you. Okay Bhavya, no worries till now. Till then आप एक काम करना, you write it simply as infinity या I लिख लेना and we can do it after the class. Okay, no worries. Next step पे चलते हैं. So this is equivalent to, let's move on to next step. Solve करते हैं इसको. So alt equal to, okay, yes, that approach I told in first class, no worries. So go to file. Everyone, I am teaching how to insert alpha lambda signs if you are using normal approach, and same goes for you Bhavya. अगर आपको infinity you are not able to find it via your equation editor, you can use this approach as well जो मैं बता रही हूँ. Everyone up with me, give me a yes so that we can start learning how to get alpha lambda in the normal approach. Go to file. Okay, then go to this options. Options तक पहुँचे, then you can get this page. सबको ये पेज मिला? Go to this proofing. ठीक है, proofing पे you can go to auto correct option. This dialog box appears. सबका ये dialog box आया? Give me a yes. Kshitij, that's not compulsory कि आपको first approach use करना है. I used second approaches in all my exams. I only used equation editor in my first exam. So आप, as I said, दोनों approach you can use II and IFO. Don't restrict any of the approaches. You can use equation editor, you can use normal approach, or you can combine both approach. Okay, there is no issue. Then go to math autocorrect. Now make sure कि आपके दोनों check boxes tick हों. Once these two check boxes are ticked, go to OK. Okay, this OK. Now try typing \alpha, \lambda or whatever. Madhval, I'll let you know guys. Okay, everyone else, those who were doing it via normal approach, are you able to get \alpha, lambda, infinity, everything? Bhavya, now are you able to get the infinity sign? Okay, Very good. Chalo, can we proceed to the next step now? So we have alt equal to, then we have next step is equal to backslash int for integral, okay. Then we have underscore for the lower limit is alpha, backslash alpha alpha, okay. Then this for infinity sign infty or inity, कुछ भी लिख सकते हो, whatever your shortcut is. This space bar to get to the places. Then we write this whole thing. Now look, अब जब हम ये फंक्शन सॉल्व करेंगे सो वी विल गेट द फंक्शन एज, ये पूरा तो सेम टू सेम रहेगा, लैम्डा ई टू द पावर माइनस लैम्डा माइनस ए एक्स, एंड इसमें थोड़ा सा स्लाइड चेंज आएगा, राइट. सो व्हाई नॉट कॉपी पेस्ट इट, हमें पूरा क्यों टाइप करें, ओके. सो व्हाट आई विल डू इज, मैं ये पूरा का पूरा कॉपी करूंगी, आई विल जस्ट कॉपी इट, आई विल जस्ट पेस्ट इट एंड आई विल मेक द चेंजेस इन इट. दिस इज लॉट मोर इजियर, ठीक है. So what will it be? It will lambda e to the power lambda this this will become alpha, this will remain lambda, this will be lambda minus t. Okay, it's lot more easier to make change in the already done thing rather than writing the new thing. लेकिन अगर आप if you have in your mind and if you are writing it while doing the calculation, then you can again write it, no problem, ठीक है. कोई hard and fast rule नहीं है टाइपिंग का, whatever suits you, whatever seems comfortable to you, आपको वही करना है. Okay, this becomes, अगर मैं इसको नॉर्मल टाइपिंग में भी लिखूंगी सो आई कैन जस्ट कॉपी पेस्ट फ्रॉम द अबव एंड मैं उसमें रिस्पेक्टिव चेंज कर दूंगी. ओके, आप यहाँ तक ठीक हो मेरे साथ हो, एवरीवन विद मी? नो वरीज, अगर हम एक पार्ट भी कर पा रहे हैं बट उसको भी अच्छे से कर पा रहे हैं, सबको समझ आ रहा है, वी कैन गो फास्टर इन द नेक्स्ट क्लासेस, कोई इश्यू नहीं है, ठीक है. नाउ अब आते हैं लिमिट्स, अब सॉल्व करके जो इंटीग्रेंड बनेगा और उसके ऊपर लिमिट्स प्लेस करने के लिए सबसे पहले इक्वेशन एडिटर यूज करते हैं. ऑल्ट इक्वल टू गेट दिस इक्वेशन एडिटर इक्वल टू, इस ब्रैकेट में होता है सब कुछ, सो इस ब्रैकेट में क्या आएगा, सो आई एम राइटिंग कैसे आएगा, सबसे पहले वी यूज माइनस साइन, माइनस आएगा. सबसे पहले इसको सॉल्व करते हैं, ठीक है. ये तो कांस्टेंट है अपना, वॉट एवर इज कांस्टेंट, सबसे पहले कांस्टेंट लिख लेते हैं. सो इट इज माइनस backslash lambda lambda lambda, hit a space bar, then we have e to the power alpha, e raised to the power backslash alpha alpha, ठीक है. फिर उसके बाद ये भी टर्म सेम टू सेम आ जाती है, बिकॉज e को अगर हम डिफरेंशिएट करते हैं तो e को इंटीग्रेट करते हैं तो रिमेन सेम, ठीक है. सो स्पेस बार उसको ऊपर भेजने के लिए, देन वी हैव e टू द पावर, क्योंकि बहुत कुछ है e के पावर में, दैट्स व्हाई वी विल यूज अप्रोप्रिएट ब्रैकेट्स. ओके, माइनस backslash lambda, ओके, माइनस t, ब्रैकेट्स क्लोज. अब x पुट ऑन करेंगे और एक ब्रैकेट क्लोज करेंगे e वाले फंक्शन के लिए, स्पेस बार पूरा ऊपर चला गया. देन हमारे पास डिनोमिनेटर में भी है, सो बैकस्लैश, डिनोमिनेटर में भी वी हैव लैम्डा माइनस टी, वी हैव टू टर्म्स. अगर सिंगल टर्म होती वी कुड सिंपली राइट लैम्डा एंड वो डिनोमिनेटर में आ जाता, बट वी हैव टू टर्म्स. अगर मैंने सिंपली लिख दिया लैम्डा माइनस टी, दैट विल ओनली लैम्डा विल कम टू द डिनोमिनेटर, माइनस टी विल रिमेन इन द न्यूमरेटर ओनली. ओके, सो व्हाट आई विल यूज इज ब्रैकेट्स, सो लैम्डा स्पेस बार माइनस टी, brackets closed. Now again I hit a space bar, it goes in fraction. Okay, brackets close, space bar. Now we have limits, brackets में भी limits लगती है ना. So underscore similar तरीका है जो हमने इंटीग्रल के लिए यूज किया था, underscore backslash alpha, this sign and backslash infinity. Wait, I didn't use underscore or what? Underscore backslash alpha and this side backslash infinity. ओके ये अप्रोच क्लियर है। अब इसका सेकेंड अप्रोच से करते हैं। सो दिस विल बी इज इक्वल टू ब्रैकेट्स माइनस फॉर न्यूमरेटर वी विल यूज अ ब्रैकेट, या फिर रहने भी देते हैं, नो प्रॉब्लम, हमने फर्स्ट ब्रैकेट लगा दिया है। सो बैकस्लैश LAMBDA लैम्डा ई रेज टू द पावर अल्फा है, सो कंट्रोल शिफ्ट प्लस, ठीक है, वी गो टू सुपरस्क्रिप्ट, वी हैव बैकस्लैश अल्फा, नाउ वी वांट टू कम टू द normal script, so we again will use control shift plus e raised to the power again control shift plus minus sign brackets backslash LAMBDA lambda minus t brackets closed x control shift plus bracket close. अब न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर लिखें, एवरीवन डन टिल न्यूमरेटर, everyone done till numerator? Everyone give me a yes. Guys, I want this class to be interactive, otherwise yes Saksham you can do it raised to the power minus x, just use brackets in minus x, okay, e raised to the power this sign and brackets minus x, this is also okay. Sometimes some students can't understand, अगर वो इस format में लिखते हैं they can't understand further, तो इसीलिए I prescribe this. Students, you can simply write e raised to the power this minus x, control shift plus shift minus, this is also not important, ठीक है. And अगर आपको lower limits में डालना है, you can simply write e underscore x, this is pretended as या comprehended as this, ठीक है. Now for denominator we have slash for fractional term and we have lambda minus t brackets closed, ठीक है. नाउ फॉर प्लेसिंग द लिमिट्स दिस इज, इसको एक और ब्रैकेट लगाओ क्योंकि हमारा पूरा इंटीग्रैंड आया है, इंटीग्रल आया सॉरी, एंड दिस कॉलन साइन, दिस साइन कंट्रोल z टू रिमूव दिस स्माइली साइन, एंड देन वी कैन प्लेस द लिमिट्स बैकस्लैश अल्फा कॉमा बैकस्लैश इनफिनिटी, ठीक है. दिस इज द सेकेंड अप्रोच. Is it okay? Give me a yes. जिन का ये second step हो गया है for whatever the approach, so that we can move forward to our third step, the final step of this subpart. Madhvan, Bhavya, everyone, ठीक है. Saksham done. Kshitij, Rashi, ठीक है. ठीक है, very good guys. Now let's move to the final step. Final step is, I'm normally writing it alt equal to is equal to lambda we have, okay Rashi you are typing still, can we use an external keyboard? Okay Madhvan you are from II, no I guess you can't, you need to ask our team. If you are from IFO, they would be providing you the wired keyboard only, wired mouse and wired keyboard, okay. If you are from IFO and you are giving remote invigilation, then you can use whatever type of keyboard you want. Rashi, are you done? Can we move forward to next step? We are just waiting for you. ठीक है, वेरी गुड. नाउ फाइनली अगर हम इसको सॉल्व करेंगे तो व्हाट विल कम इज लैम्डा बाय लैम्डा माइनस टी, ठीक है. दिस इज द कोएफिशिएंट एंड वी गेट e to the power t alpha, okay. So we have to type is, So lambda backslash lambda to get the lambda, then e raised to the power t alpha, t backslash alpha, एक space bar to get the alpha, another space bar to move it to the superscript. Okay. Now denominator in denominator we have lambda minus t. Since we have more than one term, multiplication में भी नहीं है, that's why we will use brackets, backslash lambda minus t, brackets close, we get this. Okay. For the normal approach, those who are doing via normal approach, we can write it as is equal to backslash lambda lambda. Okay, we are in super subscript, right? Again we are in subscript. ठीक है, control shift minus to get back to the normal script is equal to backslash lambda lambda e to the power के लिए control shift plus, otherwise you can simply write this. Okay, then for denominator back slash this bracket lambda minus t. ठीक है, this is the final answer for this sub part, that's why we will bold out this. इसमें भी and इसमें भी. Are you guys done till now? So okay guys, we did first part today, we will do further in further classes. I hope this is clear. Thank you everyone, have a nice day.